Hi, I'm Renzi. I'm the owner of the Northside Iles Kennel. Actually, nag-start ako mag-Frenchie way back 2009. Pero nung nag-abroad kaming tatlo, doon kami nainganyo pag-uwi namin, bumili ng mga imported French Bulldog. So far, nakilala yung kennel ko when it comes to quality big ropes and then velvet French Bulldog. Well, yung natutunan ko is mahalin mo rin yung client mo. Be honest to dun sa client para eventually siya rin yung magkusang magbigay ng kliyente sa'yo in the future. Siguro yung The Breeders Club and then Deluxe Bull Kennel kasi usually tayo yung nag-i-import ng aso. Then because of this kind of mission vision and organization, malaki na yung chance para tayo naman yung mag-export. Sabi ko nga, normal is boring. So if you're looking for unique designer, head turner, French Bulldogs, just send us a message, Northside Iles Kennel. Sabi namin, aso nyo na yung pogi, basta amin yung dating.